In Parashat Tzav, God gives Moses instructions for the priests, the caretakers of sacred space. One command stands out: the fire on the altar must be kept burning, it must not go out. Leviticus 6:13. It was a 24/7 responsibility. The fire never slept. The priest had to tend it, feed it, guard it. And so do we. As followers of Messiah, we are called a royal priesthood. And just like the ancient priests, we're entrusted with sacred duties to keep the fire of faith burning, to honor God in every day, to approach our work, our worship, and even our rest as holy. The offerings in Tzav, burnt, grain, sin, peace, each show us a picture of surrender, thanksgiving, and atonement. And all of them point to Yeshua, or Jesus, our great high priest, who gave himself as the perfect offering once and for all. Today, let's ask, is the fire on our altar still burning? Do we bring God our first, our best, not just in big moments, but in quiet faithfulness? May we live like priests, set apart, present before God, and honoring Him in all we do. Never let the fire go out. Tend it with love. Worship with your life. In Hebrews 13:15-16, through Him then let us continually offer up a sacrifice of praise to God. That is, the fruit of lips that acknowledge His name. Do not neglect to do good and to share what you have, for such sacrifices are pleasing to God. Whatever you do, work heartily as for the Lord and not for men, knowing that from the Lord you will receive the inheritance as your reward. You are serving the Lord Christ. That's in Colossians 3:23-24. Thank you for watching and see you next time.